be your
birthday of my cousin. So just like a reunion, which is, it's been a long time that we are meet each other with my first cousin.
like what, months or years?
Years. Yeah, years. Last time that we met with my cousin in Labugon, that was with my mama. So June, so it's already 1 year already, no?
Now is this
2 years now.
2 years? Oh,
Yeah.
okay. This isn't the family that we went and visited who owned the store, is it?
Yeah, they have a big store.
Oh, okay. So yeah, I've met them already.
Yeah. And the other one is, they're living in Liloan, which we buy okra.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are present there.
Oh, okay.
One also, my first cousin, a lady.
Yeah.
She's living also in Liloan. Last time that we met her in Gaisano Grand Mall.
That one was that the one? Which one did we meet in Manila when we were in Manila?
That's also from my mother's side.
Wait.
That's my aunt, the sister of my mama and my first cousin.
Now, do they live in Manila or are they like us visiting there?
They are living in Manila.
Oh, okay. So
But
they won't be here today.
yeah, no. That's the mother's side, and this one that we met is my father's side.
Hello, American boy.
Nahay. Good boy. Nahay.
Cousins.
Asa sila?
Hi, baby.
Ni-bless kanila?
Mama hat.
Oy, ni-bless mo sa inyong iyaan, naguyuan. Yan ang auntie, ang yan ang sa naman kay ngalang.
Got a lot of family here.
Oy, pang-bless mo sa inyong mga apo. Hindi ba? Hindi kay, mag-isin ako. Mag-isin ako. Mahal kayo mga anak. Wala ka? Sister, good.
Got some yummy looking fish and all the food. Whoa. There's a lot of food.
And you will eat?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. Ay, plastic yan ay. Para kamot. Na may chicken thing.
Yeah, chicken.
There's a chicken.
Yeah,
You will
chicken.
use this one for
Yeah.
your hands?
Yes, I will.
Ay, mga bata, ano mo din
Yeah.
Many family.
You have a lot of family.
Okay, sige, ikaw lang na. Ako anak diri.
Give that to Liam to sit on, Mama. Put that on the ground.
Wala may knife.
Ooh, yummy chicken and what kind of? That's some big fish. Liam have like
Bangos.
fish.
That's a bangos.
Fried chicken, oh.
Ah.
Chicken there. Kasi ko buhat og cake.
Ooh, fried chicken.
Dapo na mo ka mag-cake.
You think it'd be this busy? You think there'd be this many people?
Hoy, iling salaw ma.
Yummy. That's good chicken. Wow. Now, this is just a small portion of the Candelasa family. There are so many. It's like a family reunion. And over there, you got other people doing stuff too. How's the food? Little Liam found his sand. Whoa. They're not puppies. Walk over to them, feed them like puppies. Very, very busy here today. Kind of keeping our distance away from everyone. Some wear masks, some don't. lot of people here today. Hi, Kylie. Hey, baby boy. Hi, baby boy. Hi. Hold my hand. You want to go step in the water? Whoa. Get swimming clothes on and then we'll come back. Let's go get some swimming pants on, okay?
Kaya maligo siya. Mo bitang yan ako adita lagi mo kadto lagi kay maligo lagi na siya di ko maligo. Kay magmerkado ko.
Naligo na tit Liam na. Lima na di na puyong na ko.
Medyo na mo kuyo na.
Ano pwede?
Uy, maligo ka? Nagda ka ilisan? Wala.
Is that yummy, Liam? Is that yummy?
Parang nagda ni ilisan? Ako yung umre ka dali si mama.
Yummy.
Agay. Di kaligo si madam.
O din na ng dag na nina.
Is that yummy?
Si Liam na, si Liam. Si Nina.
Are those yummy, those nuts? No, you don't like them? I think you do because you've eaten a lot of these nuts.
We eat a
Mixed
lot.
nuts. Something is really funny. Hilarious. Oh my goodness. It's very busy here, but it was a nice day. Had a lot of family members and good food. The water is not blue, but it's nice though. It's good, nice and cool.
But kuan you said kay kana.
It's lake water.
Yeah, lake water.
It's lake water. It's not clear water. Okay, so that was our day getting away to a birthday party of your family member, right?
Yes.
All the candelasas. So what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and end this because our son is running off, as you can see.
Yeah. I'm watching Liam.
She's watching Liam, and because he's okay. So we're going to cut this off so she can chase Liam. So I'm Kelly.
I'm Ann.
We'll see you next Philippine adventure.
Bye-bye.
Bye.